beta. Second and third you read together.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha
Together. Shri Bhagavan.
Sannyasah karma yogascha nishreyasakaravubhau tayostu karma sannyasat karma yogo vishishyate nyeyassa nitya sannyasi yo nadveshti na kankshati nirdvandvo hi mahabaho sukham bandhat pramuchyate.
Now Bhagavan says, my dear Arjuna, you wanted to, given a choice, you wanted to renounce everything, run away from the war. Now see, Bhagavad Gita, just remember, one important principle, which you all know, but again we will discuss. Bhagavan says, what? First one, you cannot escape your duties. Come what may. I also can't escape my duties, even though I am not obliged to work. Bhagavan says, no, said in third chapter, he said, no kartavya in all trishulokeshu kinchana, nanavaptam avaptavyam vartayevacha karmani. Utsideyurime lokaha, nakuryat karma chet aham. If I don't work, all these worlds perish. So karma you cannot. Okay. Sir, I cannot work. Okay. No, I don't want to work. Bhagavan says, no, nothing doing. I want to work. Very good. But I don't have strength. I will give you. I don't have confidence. I will give you. I am not inspired. I will kick you and make you inspired. Whatever problem you mention, I forget quickly. I will give you a memory power. What is that you want to accomplish this? I will give you. Work you must. Arjuna tried maximum, all angles. From all angles he was slapped. But then he said, I have to work. I have to work. You have to work. You have to work. No other way. But I am very scared. I will remove the fear. I can't kill my relatives. I will make you kill them. No, I will, Parkinson disease also I will cure it. Temporary Parkinson disease. That also I will cure it. I will make you prepared. I will empower you. What a beautiful thing. Work you must. He said, don't ask, Bhagavan, make me pass my exam. That is stupid prayer. Then what? Bhagavan, give me concentration, memory power, inspiration to study, capacity to, and very josh chahiye, jeevan mein josh. That you give me. I am very dull now. Sometimes I pray to Gurudev, I am very dull today. Please inspire me. Gurudev will ask, whip you or kick you? No, either way. Choice is yours. I am looking very dull today. Nivrutti I wanted to hold on to. But your work also is waiting for me in the front room. What to do? Make me inspire. I cannot say, Bhagavan, Gurudev, unnu venda. Only breakfast, lunch and dinner. Adi madi. Work you must. No, I may fumble during talking. That I will take care. I may forget. I will give you memory. Vocabulary, I will supply. Work you must. It's a beautiful thing. So Bhagavan Krishna very clearly said, Sannyasaha karma yogascha, both are nisreyasakarau ubhau. These two are, they take you to the highest state. No doubt about it. But not as you think as a choice. That this way also I will go. I will take karma yoga, you take jnana yoga. We will meet both there in somewhere in moksha place. Nothing. These two are not separate. நீங்கள் அப்படி வா நான் இப்படி போகிறேன் அங்கே மீட் பண்ணலாம் அந்த உண்மை நத்திங் இஸ் பாசிபிள் அந்த மாதிரி இல்லை நாட் பாசிபிள் பட் போத் ஆர் வெரி பட் தென் தயோஸ்து கர்ம சந்நியாசாத் கர்ம யோக விசிஷ்யதே ஃபார் வாட் அர்ஜுனா இஸ் கெப்ட் ஹியர் ஃபார் யூ வி வில் ஆல்சோ டெல் ना तेरे लिए यही अच्छा है फॉर यू इट इज ओनली गुड व्हाट दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू No, but I want that. That is not good for you. This best car for you. Why? You are actually very short man. Therefore, Maruti 800 third second hand is good if it is available. That's the best thing. Okay, Alto you take. But then Honda City and or any other Benz car, that is all nonsense. You cannot even hold the steering, and if you sit also nothing you can see. So at least you should see, what is on the road to drive. That's correct, that's correct. So for you, this is the best model. Actually, the cheapest model. Actually, there is nothing strength. But for him, it is good. Tayostu karma sanyasat karma yoga visishyate. So Bhagavan Shankara says, karma, what is that? Jnanotpatti hetutvena ubhau yadyapi nisresa karau tathapi, even then, but karma sanyasat kevalat karma yoga visishyate. Kevalat karma sanyasat. See, by merely giving up works. Sannyas means what? Just drop. No. The meaning of sannyas is different, detached. Not that giving up actions. There is no place for laziness in our culture. Remember that. But Buddha, Ramana Maharshi, Tapon Maharaj, if you are a Buddha, if you are a Tapon Maharaj, if you are a Ramana Maharshi, sit like that. No problem. No problem. But Ramana Maharshi used to go every day up the hill and come and Giri Pradakshina and all. Now you can't walk from bathroom to bedroom. At that age also used to walk. So therefore, karma sanya, both will take you, but serially, not as a choice. First you do karma yoga, action with right attitude is called karma yoga. So vigorously be active. Now not only Rajoguna, but actually supported by Sattva. For what? Laksham is Antakarana Shuddhi, not Bahirmukha Manaha, Antarmukham. Very beautiful states. One Mahatma I met some time back. He said, Enaba, the moment you came, he said, we were discussing about mind and all. He said, I have no mind. As if you don't have mind, how are you interacting with me? Don't tell lies and all that. He said, my dear, Vyavahara Kale, at the time of Vyavahara, Manotpatti takes place in me. Oh my God. Tat Kshanameva. Somebody Vyavahara came, mind is, I propose, the mind is formed. Vyavahara is done, mind is withdrawn. When you go, I remain alone in myself and no mind. What is the state that you see now? It doesn't exist, he said. In our case, even I don't exist, but mind exists. So therefore, Arjuna, for you, don't run. Actually, good. Suppose if I declare, all will be, Jayalalitha declared, what? 1 month free salary. Vela illame ellarku kodukano. One order passed. Everybody will enjoy. Nobody will go to office. Office is voluntary. All will be empty. Voluntarily, nobody goes. If hunger is removed from the world, there will be no dynamism and no activity. Competition mudiyum, MSET, NEET, NEET, ella pom. Happy, no hunger. Anna, nothing will happen. One hunger से भगवान एक भूख लगाकर सबको घुमा रहा है. सारा दुनिया को घुमा रहा है भगवान परमात्मा. एक ही सारा भूख, बस और कुछ नहीं. भूख दिया और सताया. इसलिए हिंदी में कहते पापी पेट का सवाल है. मैं कहता हूं पापी पेट मत कहो, भगवान बोलते हैं हम वैश्वानरो भूत्वा अंदर बैठे हैं. So don't say papi pet. Don't say that. Lord is sitting inside. So therefore, okay, I'll clarify. Bhagavan can, I'll clarify who is real sannyasi. Because you think that, sannyasi means what? Just giving up. एक महात्मा जी ऑलवेज से सन्यासी इज नॉट दैट सब मैंने सन्यास ले लिया, लेने के लिए ये उपमा और चटनी नहीं है कहते थे, मैं कुछ ले लिया, बस तो कुछ लिया, हाँ कुछ लिया, प्रसाद ग्रहण, सन्यास ग्रहण किया, ग्रहण करने के लिए ये उपमा इडली नहीं है, ग्रहण करने के लिए। वेरी वंडरफुल महात्मा है। क्या ग्रहण करना चाहते हो? सन्यासी। तो ये उपमा थोड़ी है ये, not a grahan like that. So it's an evolution, it's a state to be achieved. It's a discovery. It's an art of discovering that actually I am detached, I am very, very relaxed, I am pure consciousness. Actually, this is, how can I say, nothing. Inside, pure, happy, moj, happy inside. So therefore, I'll tell you who is sannyasi. Hey Arjuna, Jnyeyaha, please know, Nitya Sannyasi. Who is Nitya Sannyasi? Yo na dveshti na kankshati. And actually, if these two are removed, you are a sannyasi. I may be in dress, but dvesha is there and kankshati. Both, so many desires are there. I have to expand my ashram, I have to do this, I have to do that, and I have to do this and that. So many desires I have. Selfish desire for to be, what do you call, a name and fame and so many things. I must be known, glamour is required. I must be under limelight always. One sloka also, I forgot actually. Yena kena prakarena. To become popular, the sloka, Sanskrit, stand in the line, the road, tear your shirt. You will get popular instantly. Everybody will look at you. Think. Yena kena prakarena. That's not. Nitya sannyasi is yo na dveshti na kankshati. You will keep on listening this dvesha, raga, ityadi. Throughout Gita, Bhagavan tells us again and again, na dveshti na kankshati. See, dvesha, hatred and desire will go only when you discover that you are full within. Till then, these won't go. Somebody by-hearted one Anuvaka more than you in Rudram. How did you manage? Teacher told only to by-heart one Anuvaka. No, but I managed no work yesterday. I put extra Anuvakam also. Both I by-hearted. Apriya. Somebody sits 5 minutes more. You call it as meditation, that I don't know, I can't call it, but he's sitting on the floor. I don't know what he's sitting for, but you are 15 minutes, 1 hour, you younger boy, boy. That fellow is calculating how to clear the loan. That also will disturb. One who doesn't hate and no desire. Because I am full. No hatred because everything is me. What hatred? Forget about it, yaar. Jo karna tujhe karo. One great Mahat Satsang, somebody was talking about change, but somebody got from audience, I have one question to ask. I have seen the video. That Mahatma. He said, he can't hear. Somebody said, he has a question. What? He said, in English only. That man said, why should I change? Lucky that translator did not shout like that in the ear of the old man. He said, why should I change? He's asking. Are you satisfied now? He said, no, then change. Beautiful answer. If you are happy, 100% don't change. Straight answer. So therefore, na dveshti na kankshati. Nirdvandvaha. Pair of opposites don't touch us. Meaning what? I go through, but they will not be registered and they are not gone into memory, and we don't analyze. Once Gurudev was traveling in a car, I heard that one lady was sitting behind and buck, constantly telling that Swamiji, too much heat, Swamiji, too much heat. Yesterday 42.2, today 43.4, today 43.4, Nalaki 45.6, something buck. And that next behind one more gentleman was sitting quietly, he was sitting. Brahmachari, somebody sitting, it seems. Quietly sitting. He can't talk also. He can't stop this lady, he can't talk to. Maybe Gurudev is enjoying her talk, who knows. So he kept quiet. Then after some time, Gurudev told, I believe, Brahmachari, you tell that lady that I also have skin on my body. Chumma. Why? Why tell everybody suffering, no? Some man is sweating there, is coming like this. But I know that I'm already sweating. It doesn't mean that Dvandvas, they will exist. I may feel the pain, I may feel the heat, of course, I feel cold and heat, but they are not converted into a problem in my mind. Okay. I don't analyze. I am experiencing, but there is no analysis, no worry, no thinking, nothing. You practice these things, maza aayega aapko. But mind, that's called constant background, baggu, woo, like a bee. This is called in Panchadashi language, Manorajya. So therefore, he is a sannyasi. I am not talking of sannyasi as a simple one who given up karma. Kevalat karsam sannyas. No. Kevala karma sannyas, no. You have to work. But real sannyasi is, mind is free from all these onslaughts of various experiences. And it is possible. I don't know, I enjoy solitude. And when you are in solitude, mind doesn't travel. Just in the present, that moment only, that's it. Practice this. No background music. Then only, we really evolve.